guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the Holy Natural filter on TikTok. So before we start, this filter is from Instagram, so you will not find this in TikTok. You need to go to Instagram, and in Instagram search for Holy Maria. Double I is there, and check in our filter tray. This is the filter, Holy Natural. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera on Instagram. Let's try it. Okay, so you can make a video here. Okay, I made a video. Now at the top of the screen you can see the download button. Tap there and we save the video. Now let's go to TikTok. Now in TikTok, tap on this upload button. This is the video we just recorded. Hit the next button and hit the next again. If you want to edit something, you can edit and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.